Hey guys, welcome back. Continue on working on the Ranger. Basically today was to basically take the cab off, take the box off, separate everything, see what has to get done, what has to get replaced. A friend of mine lives not too far from me. He's going to be basically boxing the frame in on the older trucks. They came as a C-channel from factory, and they like to basically flex a lot. So if you look behind me, that's the truck right there. Yeah, it's being hung up by a gantry crane. And then over here, see the frame, a lot of spots over there. So as you can see, right beside me, these are one of the cab bushings. Basically nothing left. And if you check the box over here for 88 Ontario truck with I think 300,000 on it. Not too bad, not too bad at all. So yeah, basically come over here, I'll give you a quick detour. So that's the inside of the truck right now. We got a couple 2x6s holding it up. Floor is not too bad. Had to cut through the floor, take them out. But if you go to the front, you can see the rat support's pretty in bad shape. Like all that. Underneath, nothing left. Holes. Looks like it's been trying to weld. So, guaranteed it needs a rat support. Guaranteed it needs cab mounts. As you can tell, just blown out of proportion. But the rest of the truck, this was a steering heater box delete, as you can tell. We're going to try to either clean this up or try to get a cleaner one and build it up from scratch. Other than that, it's not too bad. Not too bad. So basically keep you guys updated. When the cab comes back, we'll show some videos and go from there. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, pretty much any type of social media platform. G's on Fire Racing. That's basically, if you copy it right on YouTube, put my name down, you'll see it. So sometimes I post some stories, sometimes it's on Instagram newsfeed. So yeah, thanks for watching, and keep working, baby, keep working.